When a client calls the office, they would be greeted by one of the two ladies who sits up front, and they would get some basic information from them to determine which one of the three lawyers would be best suited to handle a client consultation, and then an appointment would be scheduled. We do try to work as quickly as possible, as we understand these are families in crisis and we need to answer their questions. As a prospective new client, it is helpful for you to bring pleadings or a complaint or any kind of document that you may have been served with. If you haven't been served with anything and you're thinking about filing a case, if you've ever been to court before, you should bring your prior final order. If you have financial information that's relevant to your case, that's sometimes helpful to bring as well. Once a prospective client becomes a client, we immediately file pleadings or a complaint at the family court. Once the docket clerk schedules what's called a temporary hearing, we let the client know, and then we start working towards preparing for that hearing. At a temporary hearing, all temporary issues are decided, and whether that's who's going to have custody, who's going to have visitation, who's going to have use and possession of a marital home, the vehicles, all the financial matters that would come at hand is decided at that temporary hearing. After the temporary hearing, then we move into the discovery process. The discovery process is the exchange of information. It's where we start to get together the numbers of the assets and the debts. How much a house is worth, the bank accounts, the witness information, retirement. And that process is very important because it helps us prepare for mediation. At mediation, we're going to attempt to resolve your case. It is a process wherein we hire a mediator. Sometimes it is a former judge. Sometimes it's just a certified mediator, but you do exchange offers through the mediator to try to resolve all of the issues. If your case does not settle at mediation, then we begin immediately preparing for trial at that time. If you have a family court action, please give us a call at Cate Brough, PA, and we'd be happy to schedule a consultation.